Those are nitrogen dioxide fumes. Hey everyone, today this is going to be a quick video. I just want to use all of this fuming nitric acid that's in here today because I honestly hate this chemical and I hate having it around and I just want to get rid of it. So, oh god. Okay, so you can see that you may not be able to see this, but there's condensation on the inside. So maybe it's not fuming anymore. Regardless, I really don't like this acid. Oh god. I'm just gonna wipe my hands with this. And of course, if you're wondering why I'm not wearing gloves, it's because I'll catch the gloves on fire. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get a little bit of isopropanol in here. Waste in it because we should be using it to fight corona. Get a bit in here. And it may be able to set it on fire. Yo, did you see that? It bubbled. That was actually so cool. Let's get a bit more. Those are nitrogen dioxide fumes. That was what that red gas was. So let's get a bit more. You should definitely do this outside, by the way. This is fun. We'll be able to ignite it. It's getting pretty hot. I'm gonna stay back a bit so you don't breathe it in. I think it's actually not going to set it on fire, because what this is probably just doing is it's converting it into acetone. So this is what isopropanol looks like. And when nitric acid comes and attacks it, it'll basically donate this hydrogen to this oxygen. And then what you'll get is you'll get this, and then a double bond will form with oxygen, and the two hydrogens will be bonded together. And then that hydrogen can burn. Okay, so I just cut out a piece of this glove that was over there, because I want to see, is this actually still fuming nitric? So there probably won't be enough nitric acid to set it on fire there. But, because the reason I'm asking is because the nitric acid can obviously absorb moisture from the air, and that is a huge container, so it probably could have just diluted it if it was a moist day. So let's see if it'll set it on fire. No, it actually won't. Which means that this is no longer fuming nitric. It's probably somewhere around 80%. I still don't like it though. Now let's fill this little beaker with some isopropanol. And what happens if you add the isopropanol to the nitric? Oh, nothing? Yeah, nothing really happens. It bubbles, of course, but it's not as exciting as before. Actually, no, those bubbles are getting more and more vigorous. Oh god. And you can see the nitrogen dioxide forming in there. That gas will kill you. That's why I don't like it. Let's add a bit more just for fun. More nitric, perhaps? Oh. So first of all, I made the decision to put on gloves, but also, I made this really dumb decision. I'm gonna see if it will, see what happens if you react with some butane. Okay, so here I got myself some chili butane, and before it all evaporates, let's see. Will it burn if I add a bit of nitric to it? What will happen? Wow, nothing? But perhaps, this is my theory. I think the butane is simply too cold. Let's add a bit more. Yeah, I think it's just too cold and no reaction can really take place. So I think for the rest of it, I'm just gonna make ammonium nitrate. First of all, I can't pour it in. Spilling it on the picnic table. But second of all, this is way too much ammonia, so I'm gonna add some back in here. I cleaned this beaker, by the way. And so, but the unfortunate thing is that's yellow, and this is yellow too, but whatever. We're just gonna add this directly to the ammonia. And you can see that it's making some ammonium nitrate in the vapor phase, which I think is pretty cool. And now what I got here is some lye water, so mostly calcium hydroxide, which I'll just add into here to make calcium nitrate. But there's also other stuff in there, and that's why I fizzle. That should probably be enough base to neutralize it all. Okay, now that everything is done and dusted, I have this orange solution of waste and my ammonium nitrate solution. The ammonium nitrate, screw that because it's yellow, and screw yellow again. But the waste, I have no use for it, but it looks a lot better, so I care about this a lot more than that. Hey everyone, all I want to do at the end of this video is thank KH for his automatic video editing tool because it saved me so much time, and it basically only had to spend 20 minutes editing this video. But if you saw that some parts were a bit jumpy, that's the program. But yeah, that's all I really want to say, and I hope y'all have a nice Coronacation.